Okay, so today we're in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I got my grandbabies with us and we're gonna go into the Corvette Museum and do a little tour, so let's go get started. Okay, so when you first come into the museum, when you come into the entrance, you're going to come into a little theater that's going to give a little 15-minute video on the history of the Corvette. So let's go watch it.
In the traditional American way, big racing cars on closed circuit oval tracks with all turns banked and a major emphasis on speed. But much of this is to change in the fall of 1953, when America's largest producer of automobiles takes a significant step forward.
They have a lot of history here for the Corvettes and other cars as well. Here you got the 1953 Corvette, and then next to that you have the 55 Ford Thunderbird and also the 55 V8 Corvette. It's beautiful, beautiful vehicles.
Okay, so as you are touring the museum, at each station they have an interactive screen where you can get information about each of the Corvettes. Kiddos can get in the little Corvette and ride just a little track. Yeah, pull it down.
Oh, there's pedals.
Oh.
There's pedals. Come here, Ina, just email. I'll set my
Yeah, there you go.
It's like, how?
I guess if you're actually
sitting
in
actually
it.
sitting in it, but I can't.
This was the St. Louis Corvette assembly plant from 1954 to 1981. This is what it would have looked like.
The National Corvette Museum opened in 1994 to provide an educational tribute to the American sports car. Every Corvette in the world since 1981 is assembled at the General Motors assembly plant located just a quarter of a mile from the museum.
Okay, so here we have the ugly duckling. Let's see. I'm not sure if I'd say it was an ugly duckling, but
I like the color.
I do. I like the
Just
color.
not the design as much.
It's
Like the front of the car, I don't like that design. I like the rest. Besides the mirrors on the windows right there.
This was 1965. Let's see if we can get a close-up view on the interior.
With the rear engine.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
2 engines, 350 horsepower, 2-speed automatic transmission.
Yeah, I'm not so sure I'd call that the ugly duckling, but it's pretty neat.
Yeah, I like the back.
Yeah. Okay, and here is a 2019 Corvette ZR1. Now that is a beauty. Whew.
Here's the garage where they do the preservation and the maintenance for all the Corvettes in the museum. In the early morning of February 12, 2014, a sinkhole collapsed under the Skydome area of the museum. Security cameras caught the collapse, resulting in a 40-foot wide by 25-foot deep hole. 8 vehicles were destroyed in the collapse, and the remains of those vehicles are currently on display in the repaired Skydome.
But
Take a
that's
look,
like
we're
that.
30 feet down into what's left of the sinkhole that rocked the Corvette world. That's scary. That's very scary. So this is the 1983 Corvette. It's the one and only. It's the only one in
reason I'm here today
existence
is to show
today.
you a magnificent piece of history right behind me. Come on, let's check it out. This is chassis
Man.
number 0005.
One of a kind. It's only one
This one
left.
has over 25,000.
Okay, so they also have a Corvette store. You can come get t-shirts, jackets, some blankets. I like that color, KK, that blue.
Yeah. It's a nice color.
T-shirts.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you soon.